Hello everybody, Chad Davis here from St.Albert Dodge on St.Albert Trail. We have a 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan GT, bright white in color. It's got a 3.6 liter Pentastar VVT motor, 17-inch wheels. It's got power sliding doors that'll open up there. It's also got power tailgate. And then you have middle Stow and Go, the captain's chairs, and then this is Stow and Go as well too back here. Coming around to the interior, I'll show you guys some more options. Hello everybody, welcome back. We're going to show you the interior of this 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. You got power windows, power locks, power doors, heated mirrors. You got the Bluetooth functions on the steering wheel. You have the menu button cluster display. You also have eco mode. You have heated wheel, heated seats. You have air conditioning, and then you have your Uconnect system. You have power sliding doors and rear tailgate where you can operate from here. And yeah. Very beautiful vehicle, guys. Come on down, check it out. My name's Chad Davis, 780-278-2423. Give me a call.